Hello, Ebetech is here again. Today I am going to show you um, laptop Dell, laptop Dell, that's D630 Dell. So I am going to just show you briefly how to do the service. Maybe you just find your keyboard is not working well and the system is doing somehow. We call it maybe stone virus is affecting the system. So all you need to do, just lose it. Look at this. Look at the laptop. This is there. See there. Can you see? There. Can you see? There. So the D630, the D630, this is it. So this is how it is. See, can you see?
Yes.
There, look at the back, there. Can you see? So now you can lose it. Then you can just brush it with the brush. See, brush it with the brush. Then look at the keyboard. You can remove the keyboard. Can you see the keyboard? Look at it. This is the keyboard. Remember this keyboard, you can use to type on this laptop. I've said it and I will remind you today that keyboard on laptop, on my desktop, you use it to type. That is, we call it input. It's an input device. You use the keyboard to type or your keyboard or any document into your system. It is an input device. This keyboard, keyboard for Dell D630, D630. So now this is the battery. Can you see the battery for Dell D630. So this is how you can just open it, then use brush to brush the dust, then cup it back, then you can continue to use it. So that's what we are going to do today. So next time we are moving to another. I will show you many things about computer. You know many things about computer. You learn many things about computer. So that is how this laptop, you can use laptop computer to do everything. And remember, I will still show you can use your Android phone to make money every day. Make money online. As I said, technology have gone far. You can use phone to do many to work online. There's many opportunity online that you can do. Later I will show you. So I want you to follow me. So please, I will really appreciate. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. You see that red button, just click on that red button. Then if you click on that red button, so anytime I release a new video, so you can be able to watch it. Please, I'm begging you in the name of our God in heaven, please, to encourage me, please just subscribe on my YouTube channel, Abel Abiodun. You type Abel Abiodun, then you see my video. Then just click on that subscribe button. You see red subscribe, you see red subscribe, just click on that red button. Then anytime I release a new video, you'll be able to watch it. So I really appreciate, so that you encourage me. Thank you very much. Today I'm going to stop here. Thank you very much. Bye.